this video, I'll show you how to create a TonKeeper wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you want to do is head over to the App Store and search up TonKeeper. Tap on install. I will also drop a link down below in the description for tonkeeper.com in case you want to download it that way. When TonKeeper finishes installing, we're going to open the app. Here you're going to see two options pop up: create a new wallet and import an existing wallet. For this video, we're going to tap on create a new wallet. Enter in a passcode, hard enough to figure out, but something you can remember. And here you can enable notifications to get notified when you receive Ton tokens and NFTs, or you can skip to do this later. I'm going to enable notifications. And here we can rename the wallet to whatever we want and tap continue. Your wallet is officially created. And now just to go over a few things on the wallet. Right here is where you're going to see the total balance in your wallet. And right below that, you're going to see the options to send, receive, scan your wallet, swap tokens, buy or sell, and stake your tokens. If you want to add another wallet to your account, we're going to go right here to the top, tap on your wallet. And right down here at the bottom, you tap on add wallet. And right here, you'll see an option to create a new wallet or import an existing wallet with your 24 or 12 word recovery phrase and a few other options down here. Now, one of the most important steps when you create a new wallet is to back up your wallet. For that, we're going to go right up here to the top right hand corner and tap on the settings icon. In the very first option, you'll see backup. Tap on that, tap on backup manually. You'll have this pop up. Read it carefully. It basically just states that you never share this recovery phrase with any other person. Anyone who has this recovery phrase has access to your wallet and to your funds. When you've read through that, tap on continue, enter your passcode. And this is your recovery phrase. Write down these 12 to 24 words, keep them in a safe place. And if you accidentally delete your app, lose your phone, or have it stolen, this recovery phrase will help you recover your wallet. And that's how to create a TonKeeper Ton wallet. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.